Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the next step. Right now we installed a high powered blower fan, and this is a cheap option to do without having to go liquid cooling, and you get really strong power. So this is our CyberPower PC over here build. Since this is going to be our gaming computer, we took our fan controller box for other fans. We have a fan controller box for the fans that are already in the system, but for aftermarket fans, the plug we need doesn't fit up here. So we got a control box here that we are going to use with our blower, and the blower is a simple little blower. I'll show you guys. We have it mounted right there. Kind of looks like a little turbo, and what that's going to do is we're going to be able to control the speed. So when we're gaming heavy, that's going to shoot ice cold air over the GPU and straight out the back. So that's going to help keep it cooler as well. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we got our fan controller box. We decided to move it over here on the side. For now, we got our blower hooked up, so now we can control the blower speed. So we can turn it up, turn it down. So now we just got to download all of our drivers and mess around with settings, and then you guys can see the benchmarking. Yeah, so it's pretty awesome. We need to rerun the wires and everything, clean this whole table up, get everything set up better. We'll do photos of everything set up and cleaned up, so you guys can see that. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I actually realized something. I do not need this repeater, because we already have a repeater for our other gaming computer right here, down here. So this repeater has two ports. This is Wavelink AC750. That's the model. If you guys buy that and need help, let me know. I will try and include that product in this video description. I think it is an outdated version one. It works perfectly, but it's outdated, so they probably have a new updated one, so I'll probably add it in the video description. But I do have this one, I think, added as well. And our camera just lost focus. No! Alright, so we got the computer complete. So that's how it looks from the outside. You can see our PSU fan light. You can see the three lights up top there. In the back you can see our blue LED fan controller light. So we just powered it off. Overall, extremely happy. This build has turned very good. We got a controller right here. We can swap the colors out. We can go ahead in the back here and change our PSU color. So now everything matches. Very, very happy. Extremely impressed with this tower. Definitely gonna stay nice and cold with the three fans in the front, the two fans up top, the fan in the rear, and the PSU fan, and then we got our CPU fan, and then we also got our blower fan. I think we're good to go. It's time to start gaming.